Merhaba, salam alaikum, and welcome to today's video. As you probably already saw in the thumbnail, today's video is going to be about this sweet and tasty black and white cake with some Nutella drizzled on top. This is an easy and simple recipe that only requires a few ingredients and is ideal to serve as a quick snack with some tea or coffee during this Ramadan. For now, let's get on with the video. Let's go. Firstly, start off with mixing the eggs with sugar and the vanilla sugar in a mixing bowl. The exact ingredients will be shown throughout the video. Keep whisking until the sugar has dissolved before then adding the sunflower oil and butter. Afterwards, add in the milk to the bowl as shown. Now it's time to sift in the dry ingredients and to fold them into the batter so there are no clumps. Now take a separate bowl, pour in about half of the batter and add in 1 to 2 spoons of cocoa powder. Mix everything together and add in a bit of milk if the dark batter is too dry. Now it's time to pour the dark batter into a baking pan and to spread it all out as shown. Sprinkle some chocolate sprinkles or chunks and add the white batter right on top. Then sprinkle some powdered hazelnuts on top and put it in the oven to bake until golden brown. And this is how it should look like taken out of the oven. Now decorate the cake by drizzling some Nutella on top and once again sprinkling some powdered hazelnuts on top as well, or anything else you'd like. And this is how everything should look like when it's all done. Hope you enjoy this tasty recipe. And that's about it. I hope you enjoyed today's video and recipe, and even try to recreate it sometime. If you enjoyed the video, leave a thumbs up and comment down below how you liked this recipe. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell while you're at it. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.